Welcome to the study orientation video for the Master Game Technology, or MGT for short. My name is Thomas Buitweg and I'm the coordinator of the program, and I'm here today to showcase to you our wonderful master program. Within Breda University of Applied Sciences, we teach at a higher educational level. This institute is renowned within the Netherlands and it is established in 1966. We have more than 7,000 students from almost 80 different countries. We have a degree program in the 9 different domains that you can see here. However, today we're going to focus on the Master Game Technology and the innovation opportunities that it brings. Over the last few years, we have built an industry-recognized program that focuses on expert development and high-end professionals in the field of game development and creative production. Through the use of innovative technology, we push the field further. This field continues to grow rapidly, and therefore we aim to prepare our students for the next wave of major technological advancements in the field. We are proud to say that our alumni have ranked us as a Gold Star program in the Elsevier Weekblad Studies Review. We are very proud of this. Throughout the study, we prepare for the growing reach of game technology and the impact it has on the entertainment industry, as well as the continued advance towards other industries that now use game industry tools as their daily practice. During your studies, we guide you through innovation within the field through the use of R&D practices. We are a hands-on course, very much focusing on the practical execution, whilst research supports your development and your project. At the end of the year, you will have a practical end result, supported by academic data that shows the realistic effect of your innovation. It is our vision within MGT that in order to stay ahead of the rapid technological advancements, our students must learn to continuously develop themselves. Therefore, we focus on craft excellence through self-directed learning and strong supervision throughout the year. Becoming the best of the best in your chosen specialization is the goal. And we do this by using data so that you have a firm grasp of the real-world application of your innovation using game technology. This shapes many opportunities, and we bring these together with industry partners, allowing you to collaborate with them directly. To give some examples of what that could look like, we present, for example, this animated character. This work was developed by our alumni Femke Schaars. It is a nice model, but it also shows the complexity of fur animation within this character. The research behind this investigated the practical application of fur simulation, and it resulted in very strong recommendations towards tools developers on how to optimize the fur creation pipeline and get the best possible results. Another example I would like to showcase is the work of Brent Optenbeek. He was investigating real-time ray tracing on the latest graphics card technology. However, he also used advanced AI solutions to use denoising practices to optimize the rendering solution, creating very nice realistic effects. These examples show you a little bit of an overview of what is possible within this program. And we combine this with excellent research and lecturing staff to supervise you on your personal goals. Within BUas, we also spend a lot of time researching these fields, such as ray tracing, AI, proceduralism, game design, serious games, and creative production. And especially our pride and joy, the new XR stage. This gives you ample opportunity to work with the latest technology within the games development domain and explore the most relevant research out there. To give you an overview of the year structure, we can look at the year planning. This mimics a game development cycle and is also a research cycle. These two are interlinked and designed in this purpose. Throughout the year, you move through these phases. We start with an initial research phase where we investigate the exact research question that you're working on and how you can deepen your knowledge in this particular field. Moving on to the second phase where we move into pre-production, where we start investigating how to use your research question in a practical manner. How do I collect data with my chosen methodology? Properly backing this up through academic research. In the third phase, we move towards large-scale development, where we start pushing for large-scale data collection to truly investigate how effective is your new solution in the field. How does it work? How do we collect data? And how can we prove that this is useful? All this work is supported by a thesis that at the end of the year is published at a conference or through a research poster or industry-focused article. depending on your project, you reach out to the world to show that this is the next step forward. If all of this sounds exciting to you, and you can't wait to get your hands on the latest tech, you can find more information about the application process at the website BUas.nl. If you want to be eligible for this program, we require you to have a bachelor's degree in a game development area. For example, IT, programming, art, animation, design, or production. Pre-existing knowledge in the field is required. Be aware that this course will not teach you the game development skills from scratch. We are expecting you to already have fundamental knowledge in this field. Our application process requires the standard registration requirements with some additional steps. In order to assess if this course is right for you, we ask you to write a proposal of your innovation project. You will get access to this proposal through the portal in the application process. We provide a template to help you get started with a good application. We are a small-scale course, 28 students per year. This allows us to really focus on the individual project and directly supervise you throughout the year. This also means we thoroughly review your portfolio during the application process to make sure that you can specialize in this field with your current knowledge. For more information, take a look at the BUas website at buas.nl for additional requirements within this application process. If MGT sounds like the right fit for you, or you wish to receive additional information about the program, feel free to reach out or visit us on one of the open days. Equally, if you can't visit in the real life, the webinars are available as well, including a virtual campus tour. Should you have more questions, you can also directly get in touch with our students through the Meet Us option on the website. I hope you enjoyed hearing about our program. If you do have any questions or you'd like to talk directly, don't hesitate to get in touch with us. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.